Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah. I do fashion, curls, and lifestyle travel videos. So if you like that kind of stuff, then you are right here. So today I want to do a curly hair video again. I haven't done one in a while, so I thought I have to share my tips again. Since it's getting warmer again, my hair is getting pretty dry from the sun. So I wanted to talk about a oil, and I'm a huge fan for all hair oils. I love all different kinds of oils such as olive oil, coconut oil, almond oil. All are great and have their own real good properties, but I wanted to switch things up and try a new hair oil out. And that's why I found a really good one. So I picked up this oil. This is papaya oil, and it is 100% natural and cold pressed. That's really important for any kind of oil that you get. So now I'm going to share some benefits of papaya oil. So if you have dandruff or you're prone to dandruff, then papaya oil is really great because the seeds have some properties that prevent it. So I do have some dandruff problem, not a lot, but my hair and my scalp gets pretty dry sometimes, so that's really awesome for me. If you want to grow your hair, then papaya is also really good because it helps with hair growth. It has a lot of vitamin A and C, and it also has enzymes called papain and chymopapine, and they are really great for nourishing your hair. So if you have dull dry hair like me at the moment, then it's really beneficial to use papaya or papaya oil in your hair. It really gets into your hair strands and conditions the hair from the inside, so the hair gets conditioned from the inside out, and the oil is not just a layer on top. It also stimulates collagen production, so your dry and damaged hair especially gets strengthened, so that each hair strand is getting really repaired and strengthened from the inside out. Another really great benefit is that it promotes shine. So your hair will be really shiny and it looks super healthy after you use papaya or papaya oil in your hair. And that's something I really love, when my hair is super luscious and looks super healthy after, you know, taking care of it and using the oil. But I also want to mention that it is not just good for your hair but also for your skin. So if you're searching for a oil that is going to benefit your skin, then I really suggest papaya oil. It's a really good moisturizer. It is against wrinkles, so if you're searching for anti-aging, natural like anti-aging oil, then it's highly recommended. It's also really great against acne, and it also is really good as a exfoliator for dead skin cells. So that's just a short disclaimer that you can also use it on your skin, not just your hair, but I'm going to show you how I use it on my hair. So you can use the papaya oil, so you can even make it yourself. It's not really difficult. You just have to take the pulp and the seeds of the papaya, mix it up, and then cook it with any type of other oil like olive oil or anything you would prefer. And then you have to sieve it, and then you have your papaya oil, but I just bought it because that's easier for me. Or if you have papaya leftovers that you don't want to eat anymore, then you can make a hair mask out of it, and that's also a really great way to use papaya on your skin or your hair. So today I'm going to show you how I use the oil, but I'm also going to make a reel on Instagram where I'm going to show you how I make a DIY papaya hair mask. So if you want to see that, then head over to Instagram or TikTok and check it out. So now I'm going to just take my hair down. This is just my overnight hair. I haven't washed my hair in a couple of days already. So as you can see, this is the before. Super dry and has no life to it, especially the ends are always super dry. So one way to use it is that I could put some oil in my hair now and use it as a hot oil treatment and leave it in for 10 minutes to an hour and then wash it out. But today I'm just going to wash my hair without the oil and use the oil later on as a conditioner and to seal in all the moisture. So I'm going to be using the Maui shampoo. I love this one so much. This is the shampoo with coconut milk and it is for dry hair, and I really love the Maui product. It smells heavenly and it gets the job done really well. And as a conditioner, I'm going to be using the Kind Natured Argan and Kukui Oil conditioner. I ran out of the Maui conditioner, so that's why I'm using this one today. I really recommend the conditioner from Maui as well, super nice. And I will be using the Maui leave-in conditioner as well after I washed it. So guys, I just washed my hair. Now it is super wet, and I'm going to put in my Maui's leave-in conditioner. This is actually my second or third bottle I ran through, so I'm nearly done with this one as well because I love it so much. I love the smell, and it is with coconut oil. It's a curl milk for thick and curly hair. Hydrates, smooths, and defizzes. It's super affordable and it just gets the job done, especially when I'm not in the mood to make my own leave-in conditioner out of flax seeds. I just reach for this one and it's just super convenient. So I'm just going to put this all over my hair, especially the ends, and then comb it out with my Tangle Teaser. And another main reason why I love this leave-in conditioner is because I'm able to get it in a drugstore here. Because in Europe, if you live in Europe and you have curly hair, I'm sure you know the struggle to get curly hair products in the drugstore. And this one is available here in pretty much all drugstores, I think, now, and that's super cool. So I don't have to like go to a specific shop or go and buy it online. You don't order it online and then it takes forever to get here, and shipping costs also a little bit. So it's just a cheaper and faster way to get a good leave-in conditioner for me. So if you live in a country where curly hair products are not a priority, unfortunately, then you should you know, grab this one. I'm sure you will find it in your drugstore. I just finger comb my hair, and at the end I take my Tangle Teaser and run it through again. And I comb my hair in the shower with the Tangle Teaser as well. It works super well, but I also love to comb my hair through at the end with leave-in conditioner, just to be sure that all the hair is tangle free. And I also always lose some hair at the end as well. So the shower is full of hair already, but it never ends. Having curly hair is honestly not the easiest job. Now I just love to ease up my roots a bit. Like I go through with my fingers so they don't lay super flat and they can dry. And then I just scrunch my hair. I get a really nice curl pattern. And I also flip my hair upside down and scrunch one more time at the end. After I put the leave-in conditioner in, I love topping it off with a oil just to seal in all the moisture. You could also use a, for using the oil, you could also use a gel to keep the curls really crunchy, but I love to keep it simple, and that's why I just use now this one leave-in conditioner. Sometimes I use a gel as well. I love to keep my routine simple, so it's easy and fast, and it is also better for my hair, so it's not so heavy in my scalp, because my hair is pretty heavy by itself, and if I put a lot of product in my hair, it just weighs it down. But I love to put oil because I love to, you know, keep the moisture in, and my hair really moisturized, and it does dry out as fast again. You can get this papaya oil at a Asian or African hair care store. I got it there, but you can also get it online if you don't find it anywhere. I also love papaya oil because it has a really nice decent smell. It smells really just refreshing and fruity. That's why I love it so much. So if you're not a person who loves to use olive oil, because olive oil and coconut oil are very heavy oils and they're great for your hair, but sometimes I'm not into it as well because I feel like it just is very heavy on my hair, and it also has a really strong smell. So I don't mind coconut oil, for example, because I really love coconuts and the smell of it, but olive oil, for example, I love to use it as in like deep conditioning masks, because I don't really love to put it on top and leave it in my hair for too long, because it just is really strong and it's also quite greasy. So this oil is really lightweight. It reminds me of jojoba oil or almond oil, and it has a really nice smell. So this is actually one of my favorite scents of oils I've ever came across. It's really fruity. So what I'm going to do is I take a bit of the oil, not too much, just like a tablespoon of oil, depending on your hair length as well, and how much oil I want to put in it, pretty much. So I just rub it in my hands, and I have it all over my hands now, and then I just run it through and go over my ends, especially because they are always the driest. You can also start from the roots and make your way up, so all of, like, most of the oil is at your roots, which is also a good technique. And then I just run it through, and you can see already that my hair is shining even more after the oil. You could also use it on your roots, and I'm gonna do that as well because I do have a little bit of dandruff and I'm not a fan of it. So I'm just gonna take a bit of it again, just a tiny bit, so my scalp doesn't get too oily. But as a curly girl, I don't mind that much because my hair does not get oily very fast. So, and then I just massage the oil in. So all the good properties can really work your scalp as well, and not just your hair strands. If you use it as I do, so at the end of your hair care routine, then it's really important to not use too much oil, otherwise it will be kind of greasy, and yeah, you don't want that. So I just massage it really thoroughly through. It's really important to massage your scalp if you want to promote hair growth as well. It's also a good reminder because I also forget a lot of times to massage my scalp, and I would just do this for a couple of minutes until my arms get really tired. Now I'm just going to let it air dry. It will take a couple of hours, I guess, and then I will show you my end result. So guys, this is the result after washing it. Today is the next day because it took a long time to dry. So today I just refreshed my curls with a little bit of water, and I didn't put any other product in, and this is how it looks like. It's just a little bit damp still, but I wanted to show you how gorgeous the curls look. My curls look super healthy and luscious, as you can see. It is really shiny, so the papaya oil really did a great job. Especially the ends look much healthier than in the beginning. And yeah, if you want, you could also top it up with some oil the next day as well, but I'm happy with it how it looks like now. It doesn't look dry or anything. So the moisture is really locked in. I refreshed it with a little bit of water just to get the curls popping again after the night. And I really recommend you the papaya oil if you're interested in trying out a new hair oil. As I said, you can also use it on your skin, for example at nighttime, or like a mask. And it has a really good scent. I love it so much, and I will keep using it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out a lot. And if you want to see more curly hair videos, just comment down below. Follow me on my Instagram, on my TikTok, where I post a lot of videos, curly hair related videos, and fashion things, fashion videos. I guess I'll see you next time. Bye.